We are happy to have you back here at Vitals Health, your go-to source for everything related to wellness. For today, we have something that will satisfy your sweet tooth in store for you. Get ready to dive deeply into the golden realm of raw honey, a natural wonder that has been revered for many years. In this video, we'll discuss the outstanding health advantages of raw honey, including its surprising function in increasing sleep quality and the superpowers it possesses to strengthen the immune system. Whether you're a honey connoisseur or just interested in learning more about its mystical properties, you won't want to leave just yet because you're in for a real treat. But before we go any further, make sure you click the button to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you're as enthusiastic as we are to learn more about the sweet side of health. Okay, let's get this show on the road. Raw honey has been recognized for centuries as a natural remedy and is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Unlike most commercial honey, which undergoes processing and filtering, raw honey is unprocessed and unfiltered, retaining its natural goodness. It's produced by bees from the nectar of flowers, and its potential health-promoting properties have fascinated researchers. Before we continue, please show us some love by liking us and subscribing to our channel Vitals Health. You will stay updated on the latest health news and tips and be the first to know about our new videos. So don't wait, click the subscribe button now, and join the Vitals Health community. Immune system support. Raw honey contains phytonutrients derived from flowers. These compounds serve as the plant's defense mechanism against insects and UV radiation. Through the pollination process, these phytonutrients find their way into honey, providing it with potent immune-boosting properties. These phytonutrients contribute to honey's antioxidant, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, which can help strengthen your immune system. Anti-inflammatory effects. Honey contains phenolic and flavonoid compounds known to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects in the human body. Inflammation is a crucial part of the immune response, aiding recovery from injuries and defending against foreign invaders. However, chronic inflammation is linked to serious diseases like Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Regular consumption of raw honey can help reduce inflammation and its associated risks. Blood pressure regulation. Raw honey is rich in antioxidants, which play a vital role in protecting the body from cellular damage that can lead to conditions like high blood pressure. Substituting regular sugar with a small amount of honey in your daily diet may positively impact your cardiovascular health over time. Digestive health. Raw honey has prebiotic characteristics, similar to other over-the-counter prebiotic solutions. Probiotics support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and aid in digestion. While evidence on honey as a digestive remedy is limited, incorporating small amounts of raw honey into your diet can promote digestive comfort. Cholesterol management. Studies suggest that honey may help improve cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL cholesterol are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, while higher HDL cholesterol is considered healthy. Switching from table sugar to raw honey has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol, potentially benefiting heart and circulatory health. Triglyceride reduction. Excess triglycerides in the blood are a risk factor for heart disease and diabetes. Consuming honey instead of sugar has been linked to lower triglyceride levels. Refined sugar, on the other hand, can negatively impact triglyceride levels, making raw honey a healthier alternative. Weight management. Surprisingly, honey may aid in weight loss when used as a sugar substitute in moderation. Some studies suggest that honey may stimulate the production of hormones that reduce appetite. While more research is needed, replacing sugar with honey in certain situations could support weight management due to its lower calorie content. Cough relief. Honey's ability to soothe coughs is a well-known home remedy. It is believed to have properties that calm the mucous membranes responsible for the cough reflex. Honey's antioxidants and antibacterial properties can help reduce cough severity and provide relief for sore throats. Both the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the World Health Organization, WHO, recommend honey for treating sore throats. Improved sleep. Raw honey can stimulate the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Consuming a small amount of honey before bedtime may enhance sleep quality and cognitive function, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter melatonin supplements. In conclusion, raw honey offers a myriad of health benefits, making it a popular choice among those seeking to improve their overall well-being. It's important to note that this information is intended for general knowledge, and for specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. Incorporating raw honey into your diet in moderation can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your health.